Do not fear tech layoffs. Do this to outperform your co-workers. Layoffs and rescinded job offers are the conversations of the day in the tech world. But does that mean you should be fearful and live in scarcity? We will look at 6 ways to outperform your coworkers and beat tech layoff. Some may think the job market has become frigid. Maybe it has just gotten cold where you are. I just witnessed a friend double his salary, from around $80,000 to $150,000 in the semiconductor industry, just by moving from a customer to the supplier company. Is the media embellishing on layoffs to place us in fear? The demand of green-collar sector is already rapidly growing. According to LinkedIn, demand has grown by up to 40%. Your employer is not your family. They are your client/customer. Some people are calling this the Great Realignment. Here are the 6 ways to beat layoffs and be the best. Number 1. Update your mindset of who you are. You are a business, your commodity is time, knowledge, effort and sacrifice. Realize that there are a whole bunch of people who would pay top dollar for your skills. The same way corporations have to pivot and readjust strategy based on the economy, you should as well. Focus on your personal economy and not a recession. Nearly 50% of Americans still plan to quit their job within the next 6 months. Number 2, update your network, brand and resume constantly. Continue to build your brand and perhaps go on some informational interviews, while you still engage with current client. Number 3, do research and development constantly. That may mean taking courses, learning the latest software or other technical skills that can up your game in your industry. It's always a good thing to post all the coursework on LinkedIn and on your resume. Observe industry trends to know if your current client will be impacted and how that may affect you. Ensure that you understand your competitors and the service they provide to ensure your service is best in class. Even in a recession, there are some industries that still grow. Look and see if the services or skills that you provide are transferable. Whatever industry or clients you are targeting, investing in your offering or skills is important. Number 4, practice patience. No matter what is mentioned of the labor market, being patient and constantly marketing yourself is very important. With the current age of social media, there is no shortage of ways to market yourself as a business. Number 5, act fast when clients who are open for business, job openings, meet your criteria. When you find a job you think you might consider, don't waste any time before applying. According to the chief economist for ZipRecruiter, most clients tend to look only at applications that are received in the first week or 2. Create your profile, sign up for email alerts. If alerts aligns with service you provide, apply right away. Timing is everything in this market. Number 6, ask about potential client economic downturn plans. Don't be shy about asking a potential client about any plans to weather a recession and possibly grow. Then determine whether you believe what they tell you. Don't be afraid to ensure that you are absolutely sure if what they are saying is true by pushing to get clearer or specific answer. Do you think you are a business and brand? Subscribe and let us know in the comments.